Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Learn with Ashley. Okay, so today we're gonna start our exercise of chapter number 2 from the book Oxford Modern English book 2. Okay, so here is a second chapter, Faiza's Biscuit. So we have done with the reading. Now we have to do our exercise. So let's begin our exercise. Part 1, comprehension. Answer the following questions. There are 5 questions and we have to write their answers. Here is question number 1. What did Faiza see one day? Faiza saw some people going into the restaurant for a birthday party. फाइजा जो है उसने क्या एक दिन देखा था, उसने देखा था कि कुछ लोग रेस्टोरेंट में जा रहे हैं बर्थडे पार्टी के लिए. ओके, हियर इज आवर सेकंड क्वेश्चन. हु वेंट इनटू द रेस्टोरेंट एंड व्हाई? रेस्टोरेंट में कौन गया था और क्यों गया था? अ लिटिल गर्ल वेंट इनटू द रेस्टोरेंट विद हर फैमिली टू सेलिब्रेट हर बर्थडे. एक छोटी बच्ची गई थी अपनी फैमिली के साथ रेस्टोरेंट में और वो अपना बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट करने गई थी. Okay, now here is question number 3. What did the people eat at the party? लोगों ने पार्टी में क्या खाया था? आइसक्रीम, केक एंड बिस्किट्स. ओके, हियर इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Who gave Faiza some cake and biscuits? किसने फाइजा को केक और बिस्किट दिया था? A little girl gave some cake and biscuits to Faiza. एक छोटी बच्ची ने फाइजा को केक और बिस्किट्स दिए थे. ओके, here is question number 5. What did Faiza do the next morning? अगली सुबह फाइजा ने क्या किया था? She sold the biscuits outside a school. उसने एक स्कूल के बाहर उन बिस्किट्स को बेच दिया था. Okay, now here is the second part, working with words. What are the words? They all begin with BO. So these are like some riddles. Okay, so here are 4 riddles and we have to guess what are these. This is made of glass and holds liquid. ये glass से बनी और इसमें हम liquid डालते हैं. This is a bottle. There are some inside your body. ये हमारी body के अंदर होती हैं. Bones. Not a girl, not a man or a woman. इन तीनों में से नहीं है तो फिर कौन है? Boy. Strong and full of courage. जो मजबूत होता है, जिसके अंदर जरूरत बहुत ज़्यादा होती है. That is bold. Okay, so here is question number 2. Read the following sentences carefully, then use the underlined words in sentences. Okay, first of all, we have to read these sentences carefully and then we have to make sentences of the underlined words. Don't give up your music lessons. अपने music lessons मत छोड़ो. Hold on tight to your kite string. अपनी जो पतंग है उसकी डोर को मजबूती से पकड़ी रखो. द डेंटिस्ट कैन पुल आउट अ बैड टूथ. जो डेंटिस्ट होता है, जो टूथ सर्जन होता है, वो हमारा जो खराब दांत होता है उसको निकाल देता है. डोंट लॉफ एट एक्सीडेंट्स. एक्सीडेंट पर मत हंसो. डोंट टेक अवे हर पेंसिल्स. उसकी पेंसिल्स मत लेकर जाओ. ओके, सो नाउ वी हैव टू मेक सेंटेंसेस ऑफ दीज अंडरलाइन वर्ड्स. ओके, हियर इज गिव अप. नेवर गिव अप. कभी हार मत मानो. होल्ड ऑन. पकड़ी रखो. होल्ड ऑन योर बुक फॉर अ सेकंड. अपनी बुक को एक सेकंड के लिए पकड़ो. पुल आउट, निकालना. प्लीज पुल आउट द चेयर फॉर अ गेस्ट. मेहमानों के लिए कुर्सी निकालो. लॉफ एट, हंसना. डोंट लॉफ एट मी. मुझ पर मत हंसो. टेक अवे, ले जाना. द वेटर विल टेक अवे द एम्प्टी प्लेट्स. जो वेटर है वो एम्प्टी प्लेट्स, जो खाली प्लेट्स हैं, वो ले जाएगा. Here's question number 3. Use these words and talk about the pictures in the story. We have to use these words and we have to talk about the pictures in the story. Okay, so first word is poor. Faiza was very poor. Biscuits and cake. The little girl gave biscuits and cake to Faiza. Party, restaurant. Faiza saw some people going into the restaurant for a party. Friends, there were many friends with the little girl. Hungry. Faiza was very hungry. Tiffin carrier. Her tiffin carrier was up. The little girl and his friends play many games. Laughing. The people in the party were laughing and cheering. Ice cream. The people in the party were eating ice cream. Kind. The little girl was very kind as she gave biscuits to Faiza. Selling. Faiza is selling biscuits outside of school. Next one, part C, learning about language. Sentences. Make a sentence. We start a sentence with a capital letter. We always use capital letter to start a sentence. Okay, and we end a sentence with a full stop. And use a capital letter for proper names of people and places. Okay, as we know that for proper nouns we always use capital letters. So here is question number 1. Put capital letters and full stops. Here we have to put the capital letters for proper nouns or for first word of a sentence and full stop at the end of a sentence. So here is Mr. Khan worked in an office. Mr. Khan is a proper noun, so M and K of Mr. Khan should be capital. The office was in Lahore. Lahore is also a pronoun. Da is the first word of a sentence. One day Mr. Khan went to Multan. One. First word of the sentence. Mr. Khan, proper noun. Multan, proper noun. He stayed at the Royal Hotel on Nazimuddin Road. He is the first word of a sentence. Royal Hotel, proper noun. Nazimuddin Road, proper noun. Okay, on Monday he caught a plane back to Lahore. On is the first word of a sentence. Monday is a proper noun and Lahore is also a proper noun. this and that. This and that are called pointing words. They are used to point the position of people and things. This is used to point to the position of something that is near the speaker, and that is used to point to the position of something that is far. जो चीज़ हमारे पास होगी अगर हमने उसकी तरफ इशारा करके बोलना है तो हम this बोलेंगे, और जो चीज़ हमसे दूर होगी, far away होगी, उसकी तरफ इशारा करने के लिए हम that word use करेंगे. So here is question number 2. Look around your class and point out objects or living things and make sentences using this and that. Okay, teachers, you have to force your students to point out many things that are around them or in their class and make sentences of this and that. So those things that are near to your students, they will use this, and those things that are far away from your students, they will use that for that thing. This is my pencil, that is a bag, this is a door, that is a gate. This means ye, that means wo. Okay, here is part D, listening and speaking. Listen to your teacher's statement. Ask a question when you hear the statements. Examples, teacher's statement and your questions. Okay, teachers will make statements, and then the students will have to convert those statements into questions like it is old, is it old. The helping verb should be at the first, and at the end we all have to use question mark. So we have to use these words in sentences and in questions also. Okay, so let's begin. It is new. Okay, it's a statement, and student will have to make a question like is it new. Are shouting, are they shouting? I did my homework, did I do my homework? Hira does not want candy, does Hira want candy? It was raining, was it raining? We were late, were we late? Okay, here is part E, composition creative. In your own words, write the story of Faiza and the biscuits. You can add ideas of your own, read the label in the picture, and use some conversation too. Okay, now here the students will have to write the story of Faiza by giving more and more ideas in it, and they also have to label the picture and also use some conversation in it. Okay, so here's composition. Faiza was very poor. She has no one to support her. One day a kind man gave her some money. Faiza buy some biscuits from the market and begin to sell them. She works very hard. After 10 years, she was able to set up her own store. Okay, so here is a story with more and more ideas, and new idea that Faiza was very poor and she has no one to support her. And one day a kind man, एक रहमदिल आदमी आता है, उसको कुछ पैसे देता है. Faiza उससे बिस्किट्स खरीदती है मार्केट से और वो उनको बेचना शुरू कर देती है, और वो इतनी ज़्यादा मेहनत करती है that after 10 years क्या होता है कि वो अपना एक स्टोर बना लेती है. Okay, question number 2, create a drawing of your friends and color it. Make sure that you color within lines. Okay, students, you have to make a drawing of your friends and color it. So here is a project. Faiza takes her business online. Many years later, बहुत सालों बाद, Faiza has become a very successful businesswoman. जो फ़ाइज़ा है वो बहुत ही कामयाब बिजनेस वूमन बन जाती है. शी बेक्स एंड सेल्स डिलीशियस बिस्किट्स इन हर बेकरी. अब उसकी अपनी बेकरी है और उसमें खुद वो बेकिंग भी करती है और बिस्किट्स बेचती भी है. एवरीवन इन द नेबरहुड कम्स टू द शॉप टू बाय हर बिस्किट्स. और उसके जितने भी हमसाए हैं वो आते हैं उसकी शॉप पे और बिस्किट्स खरीदते हैं. बट देयर इज़ वन प्रॉब्लम, लेकिन एक प्रॉब्लम हो गई है. द रीसेंट कोरोना वायरस पेंडेमिक हैज़ शट डाउन ऑल शॉप्स. जो रीसेंट कोरोना वायरस आया था उसकी वजह से तमाम शॉप्स बंद हो चुके हैं. पेंडेमिक इज़ व्हेन मैनी एरियाज इन द कंट्री एंड इन द वर्ल्ड आर शट डाउन बिकॉज ऑफ अ डेंजरस डिजीज़. और यही वजह ये जो ख़तरनाक बीमारी है कोरोना वायरस, उसकी वजह से बंद हो चुके हैं. दिस हेल्प्स पीपल स्टे सेफ. और उसकी वजह से पेंडेमिक क्यों आया था कि जो है वो अपने घरों में रहें ताकि सेफ रहें. कैन यू हेल्प फ़ाइज़ा कीप हर बिजनेस अलाइव. तो क्या आप फ़ाइज़ा की हेल्प करेंगे कि वो अपना बिजनेस जो है वो वैसे ही चलाती रहे. Okay, let's help Faiza. You must help Faiza check her bakery business online. उसका अगर बेकरी बिजनेस ऑनलाइन हो तो उसकी हेल्प हो सकती है. चूज़ अ सोशल मीडिया ऐप टू क्रिएट अ पेज फॉर Faiza's बेकरी. हमें एक सोशल मीडिया ऐप चूज़ करना है जिसके अंदर हम फ़ाइज़ा की जो बेकरी है उसका एक पेज क्रिएट करेंगे. और टीचर्स, यू हैव टू टेल योर क्लास. ओके, will help the class choose. Your teacher will help the class choose an app to create a business page. और आपकी जो टीचर हैं वो आपको हेल्प आउट करेंगे कि बिजनेस पेज कैसे क्रिएट किया जाता है. You will then draw delicious looking pictures of bakery items such as cakes and biscuits. और then most students drawings भी करेंगे जो जिसकी पिक्चर्स उस पेज पर जाएंगी. These pictures will go on Faiza's bakery page so that customers can come and place orders. वो पिक्चर्स फ़ायदा के पेज पे जाएंगी ताकि कस्टमर्स आएँ और अपने ऑर्डर्स प्लेस करें. Also write 2 to 3 lines about the picture, then come up with an interesting name for Faiza's online page. Okay, then you have to write 2 to 3 lines about the picture. What is the picture? Here is the picture, here is also a picture. And then you have to come up with an interesting name for Faiza's online page. Okay, here is part F. Faiza counts her biscuits. Write these numbers as words. Okay, now here students have to write numbers in words. Okay, here is question number 2. Copy these words. Write the number in the box next to the word. The students have to copy these numbers and then write numbers in the box. Here's question number 3. Read these numbers, write them in your book. इन numbers को read करेंगे सारे बच्चे. These are 21 to 29 and students will also write them in their book. Okay, now we have done with our exercise, so we'll meet in the next video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell icon to stay updated. Stay happy, stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.